Hey guys, how's it going? Lockpicker here, and welcome to my channel introduction series. This is a really fun series where all the great channels of Locksport can introduce themselves to you, and you're going to be able to see a really great catalog of all of the different channels out there. If you would love to do a channel introduction, all you need to do is make a video less than 10 minutes, use royalty-free music, and just try to make a video that fully encompasses what your channel is all about. For this week, I'm going to do Lockpicking Newbie, and I really hope you enjoy it.
This is the Lockpicking Newbie. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel is about showing what it's like to learn Locksport. I started in Locksport and I started the channel in September of 2019, and it's all on the channel. The very first package I opened with my very first picks and my very first lock, and picking that lock, which was clear by the way, was all in video number 1. Along the way I've learned that this is a great community, and so I also want to participate with the community in different challenges, shout outs, challenge locks, oh my gosh. So it's a great community, very fun, all different kind of people, different countries, and different personality types. And I hope that some of my videos are entertaining to some degree, and I hope everybody has fun. So I wanted to show basically what it takes to put together a Lockpicking Newbie video, and what my so-called lock lab is like. It's not a lab, it's a table. And so, like, for example, right now I'm kind of set up for some dimple picking on this multi-lock. And you know, I put the lock in the vise right here, and I get it up here so that you can see it, and it's all very well and good. So you can see I've got this vise. I have little items in the tray. My normal picks that I use most frequently, I just have in this little case here. These are Petersons and various profiles, some Sparrows, and so forth. I have a bigger set of picks and other kind of tools here. If for some reason I got into this brown belt lock, I've got your fairly typical pinning, gutting setup here, follower, a little tray that I got off of Thingiverse and 3D printed, and then we've got the rest of the pinning stuff from Sparrows here. Usually these things are kind of put away somewhere, which we'll get to in just a second. And then here's the dimple picks, and this is my only set of dimple picks from Sparrows. So when I am working on locks and working on videos, I usually take notes. Sometimes I take a lot of notes. Hillbilly Locksport says in fact, here's some notes for this video. He says that I'm have a scientific approach, and for better or for worse, it's the only way I know how. Personally, I think this drawing reminds me of Wile E. Coyote more than anything else. This was my one challenge like I've done so far, and it really wasn't that hard to pick, as you may have seen on some other videos. But let's look at a few other elements. So we're gonna go for a walk. All right, so if we back out on the table, it's just a table. I do have some other tools, just a very basic set of tools from Walmart. My drill, which some of you have been very entertained by. Oh, by the way, I got scolded for my unsafe drill practices, which is 100% accurate. So that's pretty basically it for the tools. I usually queue up inbound packages. These are all stuff I ordered. And then my stack up of locks that are just sitting here waiting to be shown. And finally, we have kind of like the big inventory spot here with This is mostly practice locks. I got some Houdini, some rags so I don't scratch the table up, lower security locks, a whole big pile of Vises. These are American 1100s and the like, a Mako, very nice. Some of the higher security locks. These are high security locks I have not gotten into. Quickset Smart Key Gen 3 and a Dom that I sort of semi-bricked this weekend, and my keys. A couple of challenge locks I need to send back out, and then some locks I've gotten from locksmiths. So there you have it. The last thing I want to show is the actual video setup, which is going to be entertaining since I only have the one camera. So this is what it's like. It's one of these little tripods that cost $10 at Best Buy, and you can clip your phone right into it. And I'm on a little lavalier mic that plugs right into the side of the phone. All right, I'm just going to keep that mic right there so I don't make any more noise. And I'll just say thanks for sticking around for my lab tour, as it were. And thanks for participating in the channel. This is the Lockpicking Newbie. Have a good day.
Thank you so much to LockPickingNewbie for making your submission, and thank you to everyone that checked him out. He's a really great channel, and if you'd like to see more content by him, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check out his channel and consider subscribing. If you'd love to do an introductory video of your own, please send me an email, and I'd really love to check out your submission. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you this week. If you have any questions or suggestions, as always, please leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.